Hello, Earth System Science. I hope everybody's doing well out there. I am here to deliver your weekly agenda for October 26th, 2020. This is going to be the week where we transition to in-person learning. I will see Group A on Monday and Group B on Tuesday. We missed out on the in-person transition last week just because of the way the schedule worked. And so I wanted to give you just a brief heads up / reminder that things aren't going to change drastically as far as how I'm delivering content. Still going to be through these agenda videos, through Google Classroom. The change is going to be the fact that we will see each other once in person. Okay, and then it's going to be up to you on the day that you do not come into school to do the online learning activity. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like for this week. It's pretty basic because this is the first week we'll do it. So this is this week's post. We're going to be talking about water quality and water quantity, specifically going to be tying that eventually into our watershed. This is a new unit. Okay, the new unit is called Improving Our Watershed. This is a preamble to a larger project that we're going to jump into next week. And so, new learning target, we're going to define and describe aspects of our watershed that could be improved. Eventually, you will devise a solution to a specific problem, do research on it. You'll create a little presentation and we'll probably write something, but I'll go over that in detail excuse me, when we get to it. So two things on the agenda this week. The in-class portion, we will be doing in class. So I'm not going to go over that in detail. We will be making a water quality / quantity mini poster. The directions for it are given in this Google Slides, and the document itself I'm going to print off and bring and use as a handout for you to do in class. This is going to be like a hands-on drawing project. If you're absent, then follow the directions and attempt to draw 5 examples of how water quality can be affected and how water quantity can be affected. I've given resources here. The directions are given on this Google slide. The definitions of each are given. So again, I'll be doing this in person. Those in, well, specifically Group B on Monday, ideally you watch this and you are going to be reading an article. Okay, so Group A is going to do this on Tuesday. You will click on the link, the Insert Learning, The Colorado River Runs Dry. It's from Smithsonian Magazine. It's not long, intentionally not long, but you read through the entirety of the article. Wherever a question exists, you answer the question. Okay, and that is all that is required for you on the online learning or asynchronous day. Okay, I'll be going over more routine stuff in class. I'm excited to see everybody. And so with that, I'll see you guys in real life. Bye-bye.